How to request and receive money with Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to request and receive money with Cash App. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the app homepage. Next, make sure you enter the amount you want to request on this page here. After doing that, then proceed to the bottom of the screen where you will see more options. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here named Request. Once you do that, you will be taken to this other page here where you will see fields that you are supposed to fill in with information. On the first field, make sure you enter the name, cash tag, or email of the user you want to request the money from. After doing that, then move to the next option. On this option, you have to add a note where you are supposed to write the payment you are requesting for is about. Once you have done that, make sure you proceed to the top right corner of the page and tap this button named Request. Once you do that, the person will get a notification informing them you have requested money. After that, the person will then send you the money. You have to check your notification and activity page on the Cash App. Once they send the payment, you will see a notification similar to this one asking you to accept the payment. If you are sure it is from the person you requested the money from, then proceed and tap here, Accept. After that, you will be taken to this other page here where Cash App wants you to confirm if you would like to receive this amount from this user. If you are sure everything is connected, then proceed and tap here to confirm your action. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to request and receive money with Cash App.